Hello, fellow gardeners. Are you tired of spending too much time and effort on your garden? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll show you some clever gardening hacks that will save you time and effort, so you can enjoy your garden more and stress less. You can sprinkle coffee grounds around your plants or mix them into the soil to give your plants a nutrient boost. Next, let's talk about using newspaper as a weed barrier. Instead of buying expensive weed fabric, you can use newspaper to create a natural weed barrier. Simply lay down several layers of newspaper around your plants, and cover it with mulch. The newspaper will help suppress weed growth and eventually decompose into the soil. Another useful hack is using a toilet paper roll as a seed starter. Cut the toilet paper roll in half, fill it with soil, and plant your seed inside. Once your seedling is ready to be transplanted, simply plant the entire roll into the soil. The cardboard will decompose and your plant will have a head start in the soil. Finally, let's talk about using a pool noodle as a plant protector. Cut the pool noodle in half, and slide it over the stem of your plants to protect them from harsh weather conditions, such as wind or frost. The pool noodle will also act as a support for your plants to prevent them from falling over. By using these gardening hacks, you can save time and effort in your garden, and enjoy your plants more. We hope you found these tips and tricks helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening hacks and ideas.